we are going to cook something without any fire or without any flame. So let's surprise your parents and celebrate. For this, I have already mentioned the ingredients in the note which you have got. So let's begin. Here I have mentioned that you have to grate a cucumber, grated carrot, half of carrot, some fine chopped capsicum, coriander leaves and green chilies, thick sliced bread, mayonnaise, rolling board and a knife. Okay, now first what we are going to do it is we will squeeze out the water completely from the cucumber. In this way you have to press and squeeze out the water completely, and we will put it in the mixing bowl. After taking out in the bowl, we will add carrot, capsicum. You have to chop capsicum very finely. Take the help of your mother. Don't chop by yourself. Green chilies and some coriander leaves. I have not mentioned coriander. It's optional. If you like it, you can add it. If not, you can omit it. Now we will add our favorite mayonnaise. I'll add 2 spoons of mayonnaise in this. If needed, we'll add more, but for the time being, 2 spoons are very much fine. Add a little bit of salt because mayonnaise also contains some salt. Little black pepper powder and our tasty chaat masala. We will mix it very nicely so that all the ingredients are combined. After mixing it, I find that we are short of mayonnaise, so I'll add 1 more spoon and mix it well. So our mixture is ready. See, well combined. Now we will make a sandwich. Firstly, we'll cut out the sides of the slice. Do it very fine and be careful while using the knife, or else take help of your mother. See. So our mixture is ready. We have cut the sides of the slides. Now take a rolling board and roll the bread gently. Don't press it hard. Just roll it out so that it should become little bit thin. Okay. Now we will place our mixture. We will coat it on a bread, a thin coat, a thin layer. Therefore, we say the ingredients should be the veggies which we are adding should be grated or very finely chopped. After putting it on the bread, we will just roll it. See, so this is your roll. Now I'll just give some finishing at the sides. So that it should become even, and we will cut this from the center part, middle part. So our sandwich rolls are ready to serve. In this, to make it more presentative, I am going to insert a toothpick. Let's turn out and insert a toothpick so that it holds well. place it in a serving plate. So this is one form of mayonnaise sandwich in which you can present. You can surprise your parents by making it in the evening time as a snack. Now I'll show you another form. Now for the another form, you need not cut the sides. We'll take a glass or a katori and we will just press it and turn a little bit so that we get a perfect round shape. See, we will get this round shape. These sides can be used by a mother as breadcrumbs. After drying it out, we'll make one more. Put the glass or katori and just turn a little bit here and you will get the beautiful cutting. Now it's as simple as that. We'll apply this mixture on this, our mayonnaise mixture. You can add chili flakes, you can add oregano or mixed herbs, whatever you like. It's on your taste. And we will cover it out. So this is also another type of presentation. Now I'll show you the third form. Third one is as simpler as that. You have to cut the sides, apply the mixture. I'll just show you the cutting. This is as simple sandwich as you all make, and most of you know how to make it, but I'll show you how to cut it. It's a good option. Even when mama is not well, you can serve her with this sandwich and she will be surprised. So here I'll cut this bread in this form. From this side, you have to leave 1 centimeter space, and from this side, upper side and the lower side, we will leave 1 centimeter space and we will cut it in a slant manner. The sandwiches which we get in the market are cut in this form. They are not cut in this way, they are cut in this form. And this is our another form of mayonnaise sandwich ready to be served. So these 3 types of mayonnaise sandwiches are ready. You can surprise your parents on their birthdays, or even you can serve it as an evening snack, which is made very quickly. So kids, get ready, make it for your parents and celebrate.